We're live. We're alive.
We are. It's been a long day. All right, so it has been a very long, hot, and exhausting day. We did do the hike up the Gold Bug Hot Springs this morning.
Our next goal was to travel to this mine. What's the name of this mine?
Bayhorse, yeah?
Bayhorse mine.
Ghost town.
It's an old mining ghost town. I think it's kind of run by the BLM. And they close at 5 o'clock, so we got here at like 4:30. We didn't want to pay the little money that it cost to get in there and only be able to spend 30 minutes. So there was a sign that said campground straight ahead, Bayhorse Campground. So we followed this dirt road, gravel road, for miles and miles and miles. Now I will say it was a gorgeous, gorgeous drive. It went up to a lake, but when we got up there, after about I think 11 miles, the campground was full. Nowhere to camp. So on the way up, we kind of spotted this little campsite before the National Forest, but still on the BLM land. And we had to come all the way back down the mountain, and we got this little campsite for the night. We're going to camp right here.
Yeah.
So let's look at your bike, Joy.
Yeah, I was just looking at how dirty it was. It's pretty dirty. I don't even know if the camera can pick up the amount of dirt. Let me do a little.
Yeah.
It's just rubbing it in. Layers. Not to mention me.
Whew, yep, it's dirty.
Nestled in a narrow, rocky canyon, 14 miles southwest of Challis, Idaho, lies the historic mining town known as Bayhorse. It was one of the longest-running silver and lead producers in Idaho. At its peak, Bayhorse reached a population of 300 people and had many cabins, saloons, boarding houses, hotels, assay offices, a bank, a post office, and a stone building nicknamed Wells Fargo. By 1915, all mining operations ceased and Bayhorse became a ghost town. Today, few buildings and structures remain due to a fire in 1889. Of those remaining are the Bayhorse Hotel, the Bayhorse Mill, the stone Wells Fargo building, mine building, store, and charcoal kilns. Bayhorse is part of the Land of the Yankee Fort State Park and is on the National Register of Historic Places. After our Bayhorse tour, we had roughly a 3-hour ride back to our campground. We chose to take the Sawtooth Mountain Scenic Byway. The views were absolutely amazing.